Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Monday, August 4th, 2008. According to Reuters, Spanish bank Santander is in discussions with Venezuela over the government's interest in buying a large bank Santander owns. Santander said it previously held talks to sell Banco de Venezuela to a group of Venezuelan private investors. But according to the bank, Santander has since learned of the Venezuelan government's interest in Banco de Venezuela and is at the moment in talks on that. And staying with Capital Markets news, Bloomberg News is reporting that France's Groupe Adeo has agreed to buy Kingfisher PLC's Castorama Italy unit for €560 million in cash. The proceeds will be used to reduce debt. The retailer is selling the chain 4 months after new CEO Ian Cheshire said Kingfisher must become leaner and fitter. He aims to lower costs and buy more goods from Vietnam and Indonesia to bolster profit, which fell 20% this fiscal year. The transaction is conditional on approval by European Union regulators. And in more capital markets news, according to reactions, Canadian financial services group Fairfax Financial Holdings has made a £67 million cash offer for Lloyd's insurer Advent. Fairfax is the latest overseas player to have recently looked to acquire Lloyd's insurer. In July, Bermudian insurance and reinsurance group Max Capital reached an agreement to buy Imagine Group Limited for around £11 million. And in other capital markets news, according to Bloomberg News, the Haier Group is considering buying General Electric's appliance unit as it seeks overseas acquisitions. Haier is China's largest maker of refrigerators and air conditioners. In May, Jeffrey Immelt, CEO of GE, said Haier and Korea's LG Electronics were potential suitors for its appliance unit. The purchase of the Central division would give Haier a household name to help its U.S. expansion. Haier currently sells through Walmart, Best Buy, and Home Depot. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.